Since beginning of last year, we've had a series of our displays that have been used very much in a commercial platform, so corporate presentation and such, at sizes such as 65, 85 and 103. Situation we've occurred last year, we've actually upgraded that and taken the level of that quality on what was called the PF range and uplifted it to what is called the VX range. So you've got the three sizes you can see over there, one being the 103 VX 200. It's equivalent in the 85-inch range, and then one stage further than that, down at 65-inch, there's a VX 300. Differences between the two, well, they're all obviously in a sense of the highest graded picture quality in terms of obviously the contrast ratios that plasma produces. Add into the fact that also they have a better video engine than the PF range, and in the sense that they've got inbuilt 3D capability. So on the basis of that, the two sensors either side of the Panasonic logo at the bottom, aided with some active 3D glasses, and you've got a 3D solution with a screen. Which markets we're approaching? Typically, that's going into 3D engineering capacity, design houses, architects and such, plus home cinema, as two examples of the areas that could go in. The other point and final point I would make is in terms of the 65-inch VX 300, that's a level above the 85 and the 103 for one particular reason, that from a post-production point of view, from a video point of view, and from a say for a cinematic point of view, you can actually alter the colour gamut on the actual display itself. So there's a menu in which you could go in and pick the various gradations of red, green, blue and such to make it the best picture quality that you can possibly get. So in that sense, for now and certainly in 2012, that's a highly reputable lineup of screens for high-end video and post-production. Home cinema is very prominent. Certainly on the 100-inch, 103-inch size. So we're in situations now where what typically might have been a 100-inch projector screen, you can now put up quite eagerly a 100-inch display, obviously on the basis that then there's a choice in terms of the environmental, the ambient light levels and such. So for that, certainly the major difference between that two. Realistically, application-wise, it has been corporate presentation, boardroom installations to replace rear projection systems or in such as I said, and then moving that on from there, as I said, design. It can be used, the 3D element of that, particularly as you can see on the image there, in terms of car design. A lot of the big manufacturers have looked at using those screens to bring in the audience of designers, and obviously then they can all share their ideas. So that's typically